Hello dear fans. How to create a class portfolio. The class teacher draws up a portfolio of his class in order to reflect the results of educational activities in it. In this folder, he collects documents confirming the high results of pupils in any competitions, festivals, as well as the development of open events or classes. Instructions. Step 1. Create a class portfolio based on your imagination, as well as the wishes and creativity of children. Use colored paper, pencils, children's drawings, photographs, shared with the class, as well as individual, for decoration. Step 2. Start collecting material from your first year as a homeroom teacher in this class. Gradually, towards the graduation class, you will be able to present a real chronicle of school life. Step 3. Decorate the title page beautifully, attach the first general photo of the class, indicate on it the date from which you start collecting information. If the class has a motto or title, display it on the title page. Step 4. Divide all material into several sections. For example, you can separately highlight information about the sports life of the class or about working with veterans of the Great Patriotic War, about hiking and visiting exhibitions, theaters. Step 5. Glue individual photos of students and sign not only the name and surname of the child, but also indicate his talents, hobbies, or personality traits. Step 6. If you together with the guys went on an excursion to some other city, then place photos from this trip in your portfolio in a separate file. Ask the children to write an essay about their impressions of the trip and post them in this section as well. Glue photos of interesting and memorable places you have visited. Step 7. Be sure to include in your portfolio certificates, diplomas, letters of thanks from various competitions, Olympiads, conferences, festivals. Place also in separate files the most interesting and successful works of children, essays, collections of authors' poems, drawings, applications, embroidery, etc. Step 8. If you spent together with children open classroom hours, KVN, quizzes, then it is worth putting photos and the development of activities. Step 9. Show your work with parents in your portfolio, photos and scenarios of joint class evenings, family holidays, sports competitions for all family members, etc. If your families participated in any competitions, for example, compiling a genealogical tree, then such work, drawn up genealogical family tree, must be put into a folder. Step 10. Include also a list of the class, indicating in it the constant assignments of children in the team and information about the extracurricular activities of children in circles, sections, clubs. Step 11. If your pupils have high achievements in sports, then place medals, diplomas, certificates and photographs from sports matches of various levels in the file. Step 12. Leave the last sheet of the portfolio for the feedback and wishes of the guys. Thanks for watching.